Hi, thanks for watching. My name's Jo. I'm a part-time master's student and a full-time employee of the French food company Danone. I've been living and working in Hong Kong for the past 4 years, and I'm really looking forward to moving home to Australia next year. Whilst I'm new to the research project and things might change, I'd like to share what I'm curious about and also the impact that I'd like to help contribute towards. In Australia, households waste more food than in any other part of the food value chain. The step before households bring food into the home usually involves shopping at a large supermarket. And what many households in Australia might not realise is that 1 in every 5 bags of groceries they bring through the door gets thrown out, and that is a lot of waste. What I'm curious about is to understand whether there are any effective interventions that supermarkets can deploy, either within the supermarket or between the supermarket and the household, that could help households reduce the food that they waste. The research will take 2 parts. The first part is looking at a quantified look using the Fight Food Waste survey data sets to look at whether there are any specific type of supermarket shopper who wastes more food than another, or whether there's any specific behaviours from pre-planning, purchasing at the supermarket, right through to cooking and disposal at home. In a nutshell, to see who wastes the most food and where the opportunities are to intervene in terms of behaviours. The second part of the research will involve working alongside Woolworths, who are an important CRC partner, to understand whether there are any insights that could lead to interventions that food retailers could deploy in the Australian context to help households reduce their food waste. I'm passionate about collaboration and partnerships. I think that big problems like food waste need more brains on the task, and not one body has all the answers. I also think working together means we can achieve the goals faster. Businesses in Australia, including supermarkets, employ people who care about the environment and also serve people who care about the environment. And I truly think that businesses will want to build upon the socially responsible behaviours that they've already got in place to tap into a growing social conscience about reducing food waste. To sum up, I'd love to be able to contribute towards a model or a business model or an impact that delivers a triple win. A win for consumers to help them get even more value out of the food that they buy. A win for businesses with sustainable practices and hopefully reward for doing the right thing. And finally, a win for society. When we reduce waste, we all benefit. So that's all for now. Thanks for listening and look forward to keeping you updated.